We call this video From Porsche to NASA, a day in our sales department. And no, it's not just about fast machines, although Porsche has very fast machines and NASA's are even faster. Rather, this was a day that our sales department told us about, where they were contacted by 4 different world-renowned organizations all in the same day. So in the morning, they talked with Porsche and American Express, and in the afternoon, they talked with Pfizer, a major pharmaceutical company, and NASA. So with Porsche, one of the people working with Porsche uses DataPoint as an important part of compiling their monthly reports. American Express was checking us out. They had contacted us to see about using our software for their team's reporting processes. Pfizer was looking into software to share real-time updates with their colleagues. And NASA wanted to show their newest pictures of Mars on 4 different 40-plus inch monitors. So a very cool, amazing day. Did we make every sale? No, we're very good at helping our customers and our prospects, but like any sales organizations, not every connection results in a sale. Was it a typical day? No, we do have a lot of well-known companies that work with us, but we usually don't have 4 companies contact us in a single day like that on a regular basis, which is why we thought we'd share it with you. We do have over 10,000 well-known, 10,000 clients, many of whom are very well-known and world-leading companies, and you can see some of their logos here. So we are fortunate to work with some of the leading organizations of the world, and we're very proud that they have found our software to be of use to them. Thanks for listening. Please hit the like and subscribe button. This encourages us to create more videos and lets you know when we have new ones.